Welcome to your Cyber Tips Explainer, where we make everyday people understand the cyber world around us.
So, you remember seeing empty shelves at stores like Whole Foods? Yeah, that wasn't a normal shortage.
Turns out, the chaos was actually caused by a cybercrime group called Scattered Spider. So who are these guys? Well, they're all about the money, hitting big, disruptive targets for a payday.
But get this, their best weapon isn't some crazy complex code. It's actually just psychology.
It's a technique called social engineering. Basically, they just trick people into giving them access. Simple as that.
They find an employee, create a fake emergency, and boom, they convince them to hand over the keys.
And their target this time? A company you've probably never heard of, UNFI, or United Natural Foods.
And even though you don't know them, they supply a whopping 30,000 stores across North America.
We're talking huge names. Whole Foods, the US military, even Target and Walmart. They all rely on UNFI.
So when Scattered Spider got in, UNFI did something drastic. They pulled the plug on their entire network.
And that one move, it stopped the food supply chain dead in its tracks, creating absolute chaos.
The financial fallout was just insane. They lost up to $400 million in sales alone. And their overall income? That took a $60 million hit because of the whole disruption.
On top of that, they had to spend $20 million just on pen and paper workarounds.
This digital problem had very real empty shelf consequences, just as this Whole Foods employee described. So what's the real lesson here? Your best tech defenses are useless if someone can just talk their way in. It really makes you wonder, right? In this connected world, is the human element our biggest security risk?
Binge on our playlists on a watch marathon to become a cybersecurity expert. Subscribe to this channel, like and share this video with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense.